What is robotics? Robotics is all about creating machines called robots that can help us do things. These machines can do tasks independently, semi-independently, or with a little bit of help. The idea is to get these robots to take on jobs that might be boring, repetitive, too dangerous, or difficult for humans. You can think of robots as a blend of three main areas: mechanics, or the physical part, electronics, and programming, or the brains. Mechanics, the body of the robot. Imagine a robot as a human body. It needs a skeleton or frame to give it shape, and parts like arms or wheels to help it move. These physical components fall under mechanics. Robotics engineers carefully design each part of the robot to make sure it works properly. For example, if the robot's job is to pick up objects, it'll need an arm with a hand or gripper that can open and close. There are also different kinds of movement. Some robots move on wheels, some use legs, and others even fly like drones. The way a robot moves depends on what it's supposed to do. If it's going to help in a factory, wheels might be best for smooth, flat floors. If it's helping explore Mars, it'll need strong legs or treads to handle rough terrain. Electronics, the nerves of the robot. For the robot to move or do anything, it needs an electronic system to control its parts. These are the nerves of the robot, where sensors and circuits work together to let it interact with the world. Think of sensors like the robot's senses. Just as we rely on our senses to understand our environment, robots use sensors to see, feel, or even hear. For instance, cameras can act as the robot's eyes. Touch sensors help it feel pressure or force, like when gripping an object. Infrared sensors can help detect obstacles or navigate in the dark. Temperature sensors can help a robot understand if something is too hot to touch. All of these are connected by a circuit that helps send signals from the sensors to the robot's brain so it knows what's going on. Programming, the brain of the robot. This is the part where all the data from sensors is processed and decisions are made. Programming, or coding, is what gives the robot its intelligence. The brain of the robot can be a simple microcontroller for basic robots, or a full computer with advanced AI for complex robots. Robots can be programmed in a variety of languages, like C++, Python, or Java, depending on their complexity. Programming tells the robot how to respond to different situations. If it's a cleaning robot, for example, the program might say, if you detect dirt, move toward it and vacuum. More advanced robots, like those used in factories or research labs, often use AI to analyze data and make decisions in real time. Types of robots. There are tons of different robots out there, and each one is built for a specific type of job. Here are a few examples. Industrial robots. These are commonly used in factories to build things like cars, electronics, or even medical devices. They're usually large, strong, and highly precise. Service robots. Robots like vacuum cleaners or lawnmowers that help with household chores fall into this category. Medical robots. These assist in surgeries, deliver medication in hospitals, and sometimes even help with rehabilitation exercises. Exploration robots. Designed for space or underwater missions, these robots need to be highly durable and able to work independently. Military and security robots, used for surveillance, bomb disposal, and even combat. Real-world applications. Robots are already part of our everyday lives, even if we don't always see them. In healthcare, robots help doctors perform surgeries with incredible precision. In agriculture, robots can plant and harvest crops more efficiently than humans. Even in retail, robots can help stock shelves and assist with inventory. And of course, let's not forget drones, which are also a type of robot, delivering packages and exploring dangerous areas. The future of robotics. As technology advances, robots are becoming smarter and more capable. Thanks to artificial intelligence, AI, robots can now learn from experience. Imagine a robot that tries to carry a fragile object and accidentally drops it. With machine learning, it could learn from that mistake and adjust its grip next time. Eventually, robots will work alongside humans in even more areas, not just helping, but also collaborating with us. Robotics is a fascinating field because it blends imagination with practicality. The future is full of possibilities, and as robots become more intelligent, they'll open up new ways for us to work, play, and explore. In many ways, robotics isn't just about machines. It's about building a bridge between human capabilities